Rose, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to watch my video. For this time, we will introduce RHI International, 羅致恆富. RHI, the symbol RHI on the New York Stock Exchange, is a member of Standard & Poor's 500 index. Every number work is at first impossible. RHI pioneered specialized staffing service in 1984, and today is the industry leader worldwide. By the way, my name is Chen立委in Chinese pronunciation. I am the security analyst in Taiwan. Let's take a look at the light type. For long run, performance is not bad. 3 years ago, the stock price was less than $1. And now you can look at the current price. Great! Let's take a look at the light type this year. Stock price continue to grow. Let's look at the light type in the past months. Despite the spread of COVID-19 virus, Delta outbreak, the Fed will begin to reduce the possibility of quantitative easing. Maybe end of this year began to reduce QE, but stock price still going up. This is a good value company to continue to grow. A good company worth of you long-term holding. RHI derives its revenue from 3 segments: temporary and consulting staffing, permanent placement staffing, and risk consulting and internal audit services. RHI EPS for the quarter ending June 30, 2021 was 1.33. A 224 increase year-over-year. RHI EPS for the 12 months ending June 30, 2021 was 3.81, a 19% increase year-over-year. RHI revenue for the quarter ending June 30, 2021 was 1.581 billion, a 42% increase year-over-year. RHI revenue for the 12 months ending June 30, 2021 was 5.473 billion, a 4% decline year-over-year. RHI has a long company history of innovation, always guided by high ethical standards and the belief that finding the right fit for a client and candidate creates an engaged and energized workforce. RHI pioneered the idea of professional staffing service nearly 70 years ago, and as the needs of business have evolved, so have RHI. RHI monitors various economic indicators and business trends in all of the country in which RHI operates to anticipate demand for the company's service. RHI evaluates those trends to determine the appropriate level of investment, including personnel, which will best position the company for success in the current and future global macroeconomic environment. The company's investments in headquarters are typically structured to proactively support and align with expected revenue growth trend and productivity metrics. RHI have limited visibility into future revenues, not only due to dependence on macroeconomic conditions, noted above, but also because of the relative short duration of the company's client engagement. Accordingly, Robert have typically assess headcount and other investments on at least one quarterly basis. Robert have continued to focus on the productivity levels to tenure staff and believe Robert have allied staffing levels to drive increased profitability. During the first quarter of 2021, headcount remained relatively flat in all three business segments when compared to prior year-end levels. It takes all soft to make a work. Successful companies are also made of outstanding talents. Robert Half will help you acquire outstanding talents. Robert Half is a very stable and continuously growing company. Try to hold good value stock for a long time. It will help you beat inflation. Although the stock market is in a high-end shark pattern, but don't cross the bridge until you come to it. Maintain confidence and continue to invest. Okay, Thai Fry. Just remember, like, subscribe, and share. See ya.